Hello everybody. Today let us continue rest of the story Tansen. In our previous class we have studied about Tansen who was offered to sing Rag Deepak. Yes, but Tansen was afraid. Let us see what happens. Then he had an idea. If someone sings Rag Megh at the same time and sings it properly, it will bring rain. Perhaps our daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupvati could do it, he said. What is mentioned here? Then Tansen had an idea. If someone sings Rag Megh at the same time when I sing Rag Deepak and sings it properly, it will bring rain. Besides, hot. Perhaps our daughter, maybe our daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupvati could do it, he said. He taught the two girls to sing Rag Megh. They practiced night and day for 2 weeks. Who? Both girls, Rupvati and Saraswati. They practiced night and day for 2 weeks. Tansen told them, you must wait till the lamps start burning and then you start singing. Let us proceed to next paras. The legend goes that on the appointed day, the whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Rag Deepak. The legend means the story goes that on the appointed day, the whole town assembled, the whole town gathered to hear Tansen sing Rag Deepak. When he began to sing, the air became warm. Soon people in the audience were bathed in perspiration. Perspiration means sweat. The leaves of the trees dried up and fell to the ground. As the music continued, birds fell dead because of the heat, and the water in the rivers began to boil. People cried out in terror as flames shot up out of nowhere and lighted the lamps. Then what happened? People cried out in terror, in panic, in fear, as flames shot up out from somewhere else and lighted the lamps. At once, Saraswati and Rupvati began to sing Rag Megh. The sky clouded over and the rain came down. As a result, as they sung Rag Megh, what happened? The sky clouded over and the rain came down. Tansen was saved. The story goes that he was very ill after this. The story goes that means after that incident, Tansen was very ill, and Akbar was sorry that he had caused him so much suffering. He punished Tansen's enemies. Who? Emperor Akbar punished Tansen's enemies. When Tansen got well, the entire city rejoiced. What is mentioned here? When Tansen got well, the entire city rejoiced. Rejoiced means enjoyed, celebrated. Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till 1585 when he died. He composed several new rags. Let us proceed to next and last para. Tansen's tomb is in Gwalior. It is a place of pilgrimage for musicians. What is mentioned here? Tansen's tomb is in Gwalior. Where is Tansen's tomb? It is in Gwalior. And it is a place of pilgrimage and it is a place of visit for musicians. Have a look at the board. Here is a question. Are you interested in music? Do you like classical music? Name a few distinguished Indian musicians. So as I told you, here is a question which consists on 3 parts. The first part is, are you interested in music? So your answer will be yes or no. For example, you may say yes, I am interested in music. Next part of the question, do you like classical music? Here also your answer will be in yes or no. Yes, I like classical music. What do you mean by classical music? Opposite of folk music, romantic music. Then name, third part of the question, name a few distinguished means well known, famous Indian musicians. Minimum 5 names you have to write and WhatsApp me. Okay, and before this question there are 7 questions are there. You may write these answers or you may wait till I sending these questions answers. Okay, so here we have completed 5 lessons from supplementary reader, or we can say 50% of syllabus of supplementary reader are packed with the sun. We have completed almost half syllabus. That's all for today.